Our next hands-on Diedricksen Brothers Tiny House Workshop, Joshua Tree.
My name's Brenda, aka Sticker Girl, and this is my micro tiny style of living.
So first of all, why do they call you Sticker Girl? No, I'm just kidding. No. Where are you from, first of all, Brenda?
I'm from Panama City Beach.
Okay, cool. Where'd the idea come from? I'm going to transform this van into this like graffiti array of stickers and we'll basically just outfit a van for living.
The bumper sticker is just too small. The bumper. I ran out, room on that, and it just continued on around and it became a little bit of an obsession. But people will come out of the grocery store and leave a bumper sticker under my windshield wiper. So I put it on and I live in a tourist community in a condo and I'll come out and there'll be a sticker under the windshield wiper there. So it just grew. Enough to donate a stack of stickers to me, and that became the background of everything.
I understand the stickers are like structural too. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's holding it all together. Yeah. It's all rust underneath.
What's your favorite sticker? Is there one in particular?
My favorite sticker has got to be sit back, relax, drink coffee, and pet animals. So. Oh,
that's pretty cool.
Yeah,
that must be a very long sticker. Now, how long have you been doing this? You're doing this part-time, I understand.
I do. I try to get out in Brad. He and I go out sleeping together about every 2 weeks for 3 or 4 days at a time.
Gotcha. So where's the name Brad come from, though?
From the insurance commercial. You loved Brad, and then you totaled Brad.
Oh, okay, I gotcha. I'm like, all right.
So, yeah.
Tell us about the conversion, the inside. It's pretty simple, but like you've managed to somehow finagle quite a bit of room. You have like pretty much everything you need, from cooking to heating to cooling.
It evolved from me hand carrying the air conditioner in and out on a shelf of the passenger window every time I want it, to wanting it more permanent. So I built the wall in the back, which lets it stay permanent and puts in the kitchen and the refrigerator. And removing the back seat, which led to removing the middle seat, which led to I really don't need the passenger seat.
Yeah.
And thus lots more room.
If you wanted to really save space, you could make the composting toilet your driving seat.
I could
There's
do
an idea.
That.
Yeah.
There's an idea. Check with me next year.
The sit, and it rhymes with sit, you could call it.
There you go.
There you go. Now, I love the interior decor. You got like that shag carpeting.
I do.
Just your array of like crazy funky pillows. There's so much to look at here that's a little bit overwhelming.
It's fun.
Bizarre paintings. You are certainly the most colorful person here at the Florida Tiny House Fest.
I believe be the brightest color in the room.
There should be an award for that. Maybe they'll have to start one. Tell us about what it's like to actually stay in this. I mean, you can't really get away with doing like van dwelling street parking because you're too noticeable, I would think.
I do not do that at this stage in life. But when everything is packed in, and it does all fit under the seat of the bed, things like footstools are inflatable, everything packs up and goes in there, so it's not all crowded in the walkway of the van or anything. It does look like just a regular van parked in the Walmart parking lot, so you know, if I had to get away with it, I could. I don't do that right now.
And you have quite it's quite the camp you've set up here, from the little like PVC attachment lights to carpeting, like you said, the ottomans, chairs.
Well, when I'm sitting back, I like to look around and things got to make me smile, or what's the point of having it there? So that's what I do. try to make something out of what's already been put here on this planet. I think it's really important to repurpose anything and everything you can find. So if I can take somebody's old clothing and chop it up and sew something out of it, you know, then that's what I do.
And even this like fringe work you have here in the Easy Up tent.
Yes.
Very funky. It's like 1980s hair metal meets funky gypsy caravan.
It is. It's just Salvation Army 25-cent clothing chopped up and make something out of it.
Gotcha.
You know, and makes people smile, makes people happy.
Do you have a website or anything, Brenda?
I am Hippie Gypsy Girl.
Okay, you mentioned that. Okay, hey, thank you so much. This is your mission was to make people smile, and everyone I see coming over here is like, wow, look at this. It's
and it is my only vehicle.
fantastic.
So
it
when
is?
I drive down the road, if
So
I
you're
make
well known in
someone
your town.
smile, then my day was a good day.
All right, hey, thank you so much, Brenda.
Yeah, sure.
For making us all smile. There's the cheesy wrap up.
Yeah, right. Right.
Wah,
It's okay.
wah. Yeah, I tried.